Runway is a versatile creative toolkit that empowers artists, designers, and developers to bring their ideas to life. With a range of features, including text to video, image to video, and Gen-1 capabilities, Runway provides a playground for imaginative expression. One of the exciting new additions is the brush motions feature. This feature takes creativity to the next level by enabling users to brush specific objects within an image, and then watch as Runway magically brings those objects to life. It's a dynamic way to add motion and animation to static visuals, opening up endless possibilities for storytelling and expression. This time, Runway introduces a motion brush feature that allows you to brush an object and bring it to life with motion. Now, Runway pushes the envelope by enabling users to create up to 5 different brushes for animating objects. Let's get started. In this innovative update, navigate to the Runway dashboard, then click Start with Image. A prompt box will appear. Click Upload to upload an image. Once the image is uploaded, explore the provided camera motion. But for today's focus, let's delve into the motion brush feature. After uploading the image, click on Motion Brush to initiate our creative journey. Upon entering the motion brush box, select the image to commence your creativity. Begin with brush 1 in the motion canvas. Choose brush 1 and apply it over the area of the image you wish to control. In this instance, let's focus on the ship. Adjust the directional motion by manipulating the X and Z values, causing this part of the cloud to move to the right and closer to the camera. After completing this step, proceed to brush 2. Apply the brush to the right side of the ocean wave. Adjust the directional motion by manipulating the X and Z values, guiding this part to move to the right and closer to the camera. Next, select brush 3 and apply it to the cloud on the right side. Adjust the directional motion by manipulating the X and Y values, prompting this part of the cloud to move to the right and slightly upward. Move on to brush 4, focusing on the cloud on the left side. Guide it to move to the right and closer to the camera. Finally, with brush 5, apply it to the left side of the ocean wave. Move it to the right and closer to the camera, but with a smaller value. After configuring all settings, click Save, then return to the prompt box. Click Generate 4s to create the video. Let us see the final result. It is so great. The objects' movement are exactly like our setting. We keep the center of cloud open, and the center of cloud is not moving. In summary, Runway's Creative Toolkit offers a gateway to limitless expression. From the groundbreaking brush motions to the intricate motion brush feature, users can seamlessly bring their ideas to life.